stupid bill. Can't believe I called that psychic hotline and the psychic stutter. They charged $5 a minute, and the psychic stuttered so badly that I was on the phone for 20 minutes with the service. Dang this blasted bill. I am Xoofy. Tired of having phone psychic hotline services that stutter and stammer so long that you get large phone bills. Yes? They call Xoofy's phone psychic service. We charge $7 for 5 minutes. It's a cheaper deal. Sounds interesting. So, call Xoofy's phone psychic services for all your psychotic needs.